Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Today we will install gloss black paint protection film on this roof. In my hands I have two different products. One is vinyl wrap and other is paint protection film. For this project we'll use gloss black paint protection film and I will show you installation process. In the end of this video I will show you what's the difference between these two finishes. First step, we must remove antenna. As you see, antenna already off. Main reason, because this paint protection film is thicker than vinyl wrap and it's wet application and you cannot tuck under antenna when it's wet. Step 2, I will need to clay bar entire roof and make sure that finish is perfect. Step 3, measuring panel and cutting material. By 1.10 meters. So material is ready and now I will use slip and tack solution to install it on this roof. Step 4, you need to ask for help. Manny, can you help me?
Yeah, no worries, bro.
Sweet. Yeah, I just will spray slip solution. If you can hold this. Thank you very much. Step 5, apply slip solution on the panel. And I recommend to do first wipe to make sure there's no dust on it. Okay. Yeah, if you just can pass one end, I'm gonna unroll it. Let's peel the sticker, spray water. It's our slip solution, not only water. Okay. Step 6. Lay the film on the panel. Step 7, say thank you for the help.
No worries.
And now step 8, just squeeze water from under the film. I will start from the middle. Now I will wipe water and then I will spray my tack solution all around the edge. Next step, trimming. Now we need to wait until it dries, and then we can wrap around the edges. To speed up drying process, you can use compressor or heat gun. And now when everything is ready, we can install antenna. This it, roof is done. And now let's compare it to the vinyl wrap. And the winner is gloss black paint protection film. Comparing to the vinyl, it's more clear, it's more black, and it looks almost like a glass. Thank you GSWF for creating such a great product. And guys, if you enjoy watching our YouTube videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.